What are you making?
I'm making chicken, fried chicken. That one, it seemed like I had more water or something.
This one is not cooked. Is not hot enough.
Well,
It's
I
too
think-
low.
Okay.
Oh, look! Oh, I see.
We have more water.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's very watery.
Yeah, water, yeah. So it didn't get toasted. Didn't use too much water. Okay. Okay, honey. Let's get. I think the carrots are going too. I was gonna put that thing in the oven. Give me a plate, honey. Give me a plate. You want a small one?
Okay. No, that small one. Small. Yeah.
Okay.
How is it?
It's good. It's really good.
Is it dry?
Yeah.